G'day guys and welcome back to this week's 5 Minute Yarn. So this week's 5 Minute Yarn is going to sort of be a bit of a follow on from last week's, where I was talking about how much money I don't make through sponsorship of my supporters and that on the channel. So a lot of people seem to think that creating content like this on YouTube is just easy money. That you can throw up a video or a few videos and just start making money. It really isn't that easy. And as I mentioned last week, or last fortnight in the 5 Minute Yarn, I don't make anything money-wise off my sponsors. I get a little bit of a discount here and there or some free product, but I make nothing. So in that aspect, why do I do it? Do I make money out of YouTube? And how do I make money in that aspect? Well, after almost 5 years of producing content for this channel. Now, remember, I originally started off just under Mick Graham, and then after becoming Mick's 4-wheel drive touring, I moved the channel so that I could link it in properly with my email address and things like that. I moved the channel and basically started from 0 subscribers again. So that was, I think that was around about 2002, something like that. Since then, it's still 3 years. And I've only just reached 1,000 subscribers. Now, the criteria for monetization on YouTube is 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. You can then get special thanks and channel memberships. 4,000 watch hours, and this has got to be within a 12-month period. These watch hours have to be within a 12-month period. 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can then get ad revenue, which is what everybody seems to think, there's ads in the video, they're making money out of this. I get ads in my videos. I can sit there and watch my own videos on the TV at home and see ads come up. I don't make a cent out of it. So I've got the 1,000 subscribers, but I'm nowhere near the 4,000 watch hours. In fact, I've actually gone backwards from having 3,000 watch hours. I've actually gone backwards, and I think now I'm at something like 1,500 watch hours in the last 12 months, which is pretty bloody miserable, but so be it. So if I'm not making money out of YouTube, why do I do it? Well, truth is, guys, I love it. I love coming out here. I love getting out to different places and seeing different things. And I just love getting out. Not only do I love being out here, but I also enjoy the whole recording process. I enjoy the whole photography process. I enjoy sitting at home on the computer and editing the videos and trying to make them into something worth watching. And yeah, I actually enjoy all that. And then I enjoy the interaction with all you guys that watch it and then you just comment below and things like that. I enjoy all that interaction and those that comment on my Facebook pages and Instagram and whatnot as well. So that, more than anything, is why I do it. I'm not doing this for the money, and it never has been for the money. Yes, it's a bonus if I can get something. I do get a little bit through Patron, and I do get a little bit through merchandise. But at the moment, that's not even enough to cover the cost, really, of my website, the hosting of the website. So, yeah, I do this because I enjoy it. That's where it comes down to. I really do enjoy it. So, yeah, if you wonder why I make YouTube content, especially if I'm not making money out of it, because I love it. I really do. Alright guys, that's almost 5 minutes. It's a quick one this week. I'm gonna eat the rest of my food, and I'll talk to you later. Yama Bujiri Murugu. Walk a good path. Yano, goodbye.